All right. I had a problem today. Well, I had many problems today at work. But I solved all my work problems. Great. The bad part was I wanted to submit the changeover and all the notes that I found, like all of the learnings of that changeover that I finished today. I couldn't submit it because the app is broken. So I'm going to try to fix this. Um, I don't know if I'm going to be able to. I mean, I could submit it. It's just the notes won't save. And I want to see what it says. Um, let's see. So like say for example, if I want to add a note right here, changeovers. Oh, never mind. It saved it, but I can't see it. What the heck? Hold up. Cuz I want to see it. I just can't see it. Okay, if I restart this page, I only have two notes. Yes and yes. Hmm. Where do I need to see this at? Probably right here. And right here. Don't need this anymore. Okay, what am I looking for? So, like, whenever active, check for it. What? It doesn't exist. OG. Set it to active. The notes. Am I supposed to be indexing this? Is that why? Hold up. Yeah, wait a minute. Object. The notes are right here. Interesting. Add notes to it. Maybe don't want to say that. Oh, what I should do is, oh gosh, I need to revert that. Revert. Now, what I will do is, what did I change? Line reports. I don't know why it's so hard for me to like type out line, like finished, the word finished. I don't know why, but finished. I guess that's what I say. Go ahead and commit that. And then now I can work on this. Go ahead and hop that back in. So what I want to say right here isn't necessarily add notes to the active changeover. Uh, notes. Notes of changeover. What does that look like? Does it look like crap? No. Cool. Now, I mean, This for notes. What am I looking for? What am I looking for? Okay, so like, I guess I'll do at for. For note of no change. What am I looking at? Or looking for? Track. Sure. Div. No. Whatever. Okay. What would be. I guess the iterator is wrong. Fine. Track. These nuts. Crap. Track. I don't know what to say here. I don't, that's not right. Changeover form. Oh yeah. Changeover form. Reset. Patch that value. Form data. So starting that. If there is an active changeover, cool. Whenever I do that, yes, that works. This is so interesting. How have I done this? This is magic. Oh yeah, after I finish this, I'm actually going to have to start refactoring this and cleaning this code base up to make it make more sense. Because I have a lot of stuff in here and it works, but I want to make this look better. So, so where I'm not like stumbling over just functions on functions on functions. And I think I have a little bit more grasp of how Angular works in TypeScript in general. Wait, am I patching this value though? Dot push all of that. Fine, I guess. Nope. Group. Hmm. I want to do this by hand. Like today, I actually, actually care to do it. So, what I'm gonna do, this doesn't really matter. All I really need to do, I'm console logging this. Is it possible? This active changeover, set that to that, but like active changeover dot notes does not exist on type writable. Huh? 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 Dot. Let me. Does not exist on type writable. Yes, it does. It's right here. Or is it something different? This. This is just the subscription. This. That. Oh. Active changeover state. No, that won't work. Undefined. No, that won't work. Mm. So both of those won't work. How about that? Oh gosh. What did I do? I'm changing it back. This sucks. So like how would I is is that how? What is this error saying? Identifier expected? Identifier expected. I don't know what that says. Change over doc data. This is a const. Change that to that. Now I need to be able to. Oh, wait a minute. I don't need to. I can do that, but that's, I think, unnecessary. What I need to do is I change this right here, right? So, like, of active changeover dot notes. Track the notes. And just for each one of them, just have a div called note, and then I'll figure the rest out eventually. So there's two different notes. Cool. That's accurate. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Now. Hmm? 161. 161. Error starting. 161 is reading. I didn't have an error starting the changeover though. Interesting. Missing required fields? No. There would be no error. Oh no. Anyways, I I have it. I have it, but I need I need to see the video now. Hold up.
What do you need?
And I'd give up forever.
Why?
This isn't all right, fine. This isn't what I was expecting. Never mind. It's when he needed pants. But this is gonna be. Ooh, I need to make a card. Oh, this is gonna be a card, and I want to style it. So like, ooh, class change over note card container. So in here, I guess I would start with the text. P. Yellow diamonds look like PP. Dot text. And then I guess I can just have a span with the note dot timestamp. Dot to date. Uh, and then I'm not worried about the image URL just yet. Just keep on showing that. This looks like trash. Okay. Or is this how you do it? Is this how you do it? Is this how you do it? Wait. Oh, I knew I was close. I knew I was close. This sucks. Like getting things wrong, but it's a part of the learning experience now. This is what I do. I want this to be under here. No. I want that to be under there so that when I do open this. Hello? Oh. Oh. Fine. So when I do open this up, it'll just be under here. And then when I do add a note, it'll just be under there. So there's this. Now I want to figure out how I would render that. I guess I would go in here, have an image tag, and then have the source. Oh, I can do that. Cool. Dot. How did it know that, but didn't know that I had a text? What? Whatever. Is it URLs? It is. It is. Yeah. Hmm. Eh? What's the problem? Image URL dot. Is that how you would? It's just the first one that I need. What the heck? Dot first? I don't know. What the heck? Uh, no. Why are you doing this to me? And why is this an array? It's a map. Okay. Mm. Because it's not going to show anything. How would I show the first? The map. Mm, get first product that name in the component. Is that? No. Have a map in my Firebase document, and it only has one one key in there to display this image. I think I have a new goal though. Like whenever I do code, well, I want to do like a daily coding thing again, but like I probably won't stream every day. But I have the yearly subscription to Claude. So I want to code every day until I reach the limit for that particular like time segment, time slot or whatever. I want to do it like that. Just to tinker around with stuff. Maybe not even just like the Claude code segment of it, but also like in the Claude like chatbot app. So yeah, just a goal of mine. To display an image from a Firebase document with one key, you need to first and the first and only value of that map. So yeah. Ew. I'll have to do that. Mm, fine. Where did I go? See, this is what I'm talking about. When I mean that, like, I need to um, start refactoring stuff. So this died. Active changeover. Died. Notes. Died. Image. URLs. See, that's the problem right there. Like, ugh. Ugh. This sucks. I don't know how to do that. I would like. Wait a second. Wait a second. In your template. Did my template do that? Actually, no. It's probably bad to put TypeScript in my HTML template. So, yeah, that makes sense. But, fine. Get image. Yes. This is going to be get image. Get, wait, no, not get image. Get no image. Get no image. And this is what it's going to say. I'll tell you something. Fine, I guess I'm not playing. All right, cool. Okay. What does this look like? What I want to feed in here is note why. Oh. Oh. That's stupid. Hold up. I don't need to do that anymore. Sorry. I didn't read. Dot. That's not probably going to tell me. Not length. Fine. This says I want the URL, I guess. Oh, of your energy. I want the U. Oh, this is where I put the 0. Gosh. Huh? Like, dang. If it has that, that doesn't make sense. In the template of component changeover. Why? This is the dumbest way I've ever seen this be implemented. I'm telling you, this doesn't make sense. What's the problem? I've never seen that be implemented like that. This is the most like iffy way I've. What? What? But they look ugly. Oh, they're just so ugly. Oh yeah, it looks like this. I did that today. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So 100 and act right. And what does it look like? You. I want to style this. Well, no, I don't. I want Claude to style this. I would like to style these cards. I don't know what else I could really put right there that's from these notes. Mm, I mean, let's see what this is. I'm kind of iffy on it. I don't hate it. That's another thing. Wait, hold up. I need some user feedback for whenever I do save these notes. Because when I was on my phone, I didn't know if it had saved or not. Let me try to code that before I do anything. I need. Now that I don't want to code. I'll just let Claude handle that. I need user feedback. UI feedback. UI feedback. I save the notes on changeovers. I need to know when they are successfully submitted and when they aren't. I can't type. I don't hate this implementation of it. This styling, simple, does the job. I'm not too upset. Oops. See, that's my thing. Whenever I'm on the phone, yeah, it's too high. But that's not too high. Fine. For these line reports, I need more margin. Sure. Oh, I forgot. That would probably be best for when I go in tomorrow. Just to have it to where I can close it out if I want to. Because right now on my phone, I can't close that out. That would help. Okay, cool. It works. Hopefully. Let me try it. Now, there's something here that's going to be very hard to explain. Oh, it's not. It's on the desktop. Oh, God. Once. Glitch. Oh. Ended up finding simulate a vacuum delay the brackets on the side of the machine that would answer. Now, I'm going to copy this text because I'm not sure if this is ever going to save. I'm using the top down first to material. So it went up on the bottom brackets. So that the engages. Wait, so that the mold reads as closed at a later time, which causes the vacuum to engage later. Fix the webbing. I'm not finding out how to simulate a vacuum delay. The brackets on the side of the machine that we were told never to touch is the answer. That's true. I don't even know what this is like. What to even call this? Like, what's the location? This is a terrible picture, though. I'll deal with it. Um. Yeah. Uh, it's located. I want to. If I was using the bottom first, Where are we? Where are we? Yes. So, if uh copied. Oh gosh. Well, it just overwrites it. Oh, this sucks. This is probably the most important one, even though, I mean, I can put them back in with new notes by appending notes. That's all it took. Existing notes equals that. Oh. Uh, let's try it. Because it's this. March 5th. Hey, come back here. There you go. Okay. These are some of the problems that I was having. Mhm. So, let's try that. Or the analytics. Thank you. Okay. What did I have at that at? Because I can't remember. Yeah, I think it's a lot better to have exactly what I had rather than like trying to make something up. Uh, no, I just end up doing that. Okay, I keep on wanting to put two C's in vacuum. Am I using the right form of seal? Okay. Is this how you spell it? But this is the animal, right? Cool. Wait, that's a Pokemon. What? No. Wait. What? Whatever. No. Bottom. Mm, is that it? I think that's it. I believe that's it. Yeah. What else is there? I'm looking through all the photos that I took. I think that's kind of it. Oh, these last ones. Or I'm just capture that. Ah, wait. Mm, 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 mm. I think that's it. It's gonna take a while. Oh, cool. All this. Oh gosh. Don't do this to me. So I did all that just for this not to. Oh, okay, cool. Okay. I need to change these times too. Because. Let me go back here. This was at what? This was at. Yeah. There we go. That changed the entire thing? What the heck? Anyways. What does this one say though? Are all centered. That was at the same time when I was locking up. Yes. Or I can leave that as that. This was at 12. Well, I took that picture at 12. Hmm. Mm. What time was that at? Oh, I can't see it. This sucks. It ended up being that kind of. So, all right. Tomorrow I'm gonna have a study session, going over everything. Hmm. This is really the first um changeover that I've been able to submit. It's pretty cool. To make sure that everything was good, everything cool, cool, cool. Is there anything else that I'm missing? The next thing that I would really want to do is because I'm able to cut it, but crap, I can't go in that much. I'm able to cut it, but I want to start cutting it right here, right here, rather than about a few up right here because it's a lot thinner. And because it's a lot thinner, it doesn't cut as well. But because I can just like have this come up and then cut and it's harder, more durable, it ends up being a better looking cut. That's really my next thing that I need to do. And that would be it. That would be it. So I'm going to keep this running, but I'm kind of done with it. I'm kind of done. The next thing would be to have, oh, Glover to that. Not, yeah, that's Labor Day. Yeah, about right there. Yeah, yeah, it's not. Okay. So, there it was. That's not really a problem, but I'll take it. I'm cool with that. I think I'm kind of done though with coding. Really now, just making sure that everything. Oh, that's the thing. Line reports, CSS. Um, this needs to change. That 90. What does this look like? Please. Marta 2 a.m. That's a little bit weird. The heck? How about I do that? Easier? What the heck? That one. Now I think I'm truly ready just for refactoring. So push these changes ng builder. Ng build. Then Firebase deploy. Oh, what's up? Oh gosh. Oh, I'm probably late. Oh, I'm probably I'm 2 minutes late. I'm so sorry. I don't know if you're still in here. I'm so sorry. Oh, I suck. Um, I was working on one um the changeovers feature. I had a problem to where I couldn't submit what is that called? Like notes. I couldn't submit notes or I didn't have that much user feedback on them. I implemented user feedback and then I had a problem to where it was just overwriting notes. So I had to work on appending notes rather than overwriting the entire document. Fix that. And also formatting how I want adding documents or adding notes to look on a changeover modal. And then like that's programming wise what I dealt with like at work today that I couldn't fix. And then also fixing the CSS of this because on a smaller screen, I can't reach the X button. I can reach it here, but on a smaller screen, it's so far up and how it looks at least in the Chrome app on my phone, it's a lot and I kind of don't want that to be the case. So, yeah. Fix that and that's about it. That's about it. So, next I'm going to work on finally refactoring and refactoring it in a way that I can read it rather than something that AI can read. Because if AI does it, I'm just stumbling over AI's work rather than my work. So this is gonna be my first like true refactoring project, and I'm so like scared but excited for it. But I want to learn how to refactor in a way that's replicable, or at least something to like work off of. And I think I have a good enough like foundational, not okay, not concrete, but I think I have enough knowledge of how Angular works now so that I can refactor things a little bit better. I still need some work on like signals and like services and interfaces and stuff like that. But as far as having what is this? A 500 line file, I can start like compartmentalizing some stuff and putting some stuff in components. Really, it's just file structure at this point that I need to work on. And this is just for a form. So my line reports, this is 6,500 lines. So a lot of this stuff can be refactored, especially because like I'm using this notes stuff in multiple different forms. This can be refactored. So Yeah, I'm making progress, but I have a long way to go. But I'm excited for it. You know? You know? So, yeah. Thanks for tuning in though. I know I'm not the most entertaining person on the internet, but I'm just doing this because it helps me at my job and everything and brainstorming and stuff like that. So I'm actually using this like in the real world and I want others to use it. It's just it's not ready to like give to other people and I don't want people to have like a bad first impression of an app, you know? So, yeah. Yeah. But I plan on streaming pretty like a lot more regular now. So, yeah. Yeah. But follow if you want to, join the Discord if you want to, subscribe to the YouTube if you want to. No pressure though, but yeah. How new? How new are you? And what's your tech stack? What do you like to build?